Hello folks, today we're doing a new construction inspection, and this kind of goes right along with our whole series on foundations. And I try to tell folks that, there's no such thing as a foundation that literally is absolutely level, absolutely the same height. Because concrete, when you pour this much concrete, you can see it actually will shrink in areas where there's too much water or whatnot, and or maybe it just wasn't compressed enough. But anyway, multitude of reasons why they do that. And what happens is, look right here. I hope you can see that up right there. I did see it some daylight, if you could catch that. But if not, come on over here and you can see right here. And whoop, here we go. See my daylight right there. And that's because my foundation, you could literally see it coming along through here. Now, this is common for foundations. But we do want to, actually, we would like to see this sealed, some caulking in here. But just goes to show everybody, your foundations are never, see, you can see right in that corner some daylight right in there. See that, folks? That daylight right in there. This is what you're looking for. And you want to seal that with caulking because you don't want moisture in there. But this is not the foundation people's fault, and your house is not settling. This is a brand new house. So when you get one of these foundation company crackpots coming out here saying, oh, I got an engineer and he's going to tell you how much of this you got to do and how much of that you got to do, and it's only going to cost $100,000, call me. You're getting BS'd. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.